The next thing is the wheel, that you have to take this plate off. A 17 spanner, not easy to get in, but it's not tight. Yep, there it's coming off. Save that. We have to get this plate off so we can get the wheel on. Save that. Save that spanner. Let's have a look. Is that coming off? No. Move that out of the way. That should come off now. Yep. So, a washer. I don't know if I need that bulb. We'll see. That's on there. I'll put that to one side. Okay. Two people would make this easier. You've now got to lift this to get down, line it up with the disc and get it on the forks. Let's have a look. I'll move these cushions. So the washer separate. Left, slide in. Oh, no, forgot something. Inside the disc brake, there's a protect. You've got to remove this. Have a look. This separates the pads, so you have to remove this. Now I remember that from watching the video. Doesn't mention that in the instructions, not that I can see. The videos on the Jorvick site are very good. Oh, we've got the bug bargain. Little bit awkward with one. Alright, let's try a different way. This has got to go up here. It's lining that up. I can see that there. Get in. That looks lined up. Not easy. Ah, one of the washers has moved. Right, start again. This washer moved. It's got to go. It's got to go in between the two washers, and it moved. Try again. Line up the disc. Yeah. The disc is lined up, but not this. It's that wire. Okay. This wire is getting in the way. I'm going to try it there. So that wire was pushing the washer away, and making it difficult. The fork wouldn't go on there, so try again. Line up the disc. Come on. Line up that. Oh, that's easier. Holding this is easier. Then are we in between the pads? Can't tell. Bit tricky, bit fiddly. Right. We're lining the pads up. Oh, bloody hell. Now, two people would make this a lot easier. Tricky on your own. On the video it looks simple. Because I've got to line that pad up. Oh, what have I done with that note? There. Try again. Hold this. Lift. Line up. I think that has got to be, there's a straight bit. Right. Yep. Disc. Oh. Oh, that washer's moved again. Now. So, with the front wheel, if you're doing the front wheel by yourself, this is like a handle to lift the whole bike up, which makes it easier. Down here, the problem I'm having is make sure the wire is at the bottom. I had the wire at the top, so that made this was pushing things away, it wasn't going on properly. There's also two washers. On the video it tells you to have one washer at this side, one washer at that side, but if I do that it will not go on. So now I've got the washer with the square lug at this side, which looks like it fits in and it's probably protecting the wire as well. This side I have one washer on this side of the fork, but I've got a washer on that side. So at the moment I've just rung Jorvick to see if that's the correct way, because on the video it's not correct. So hopefully that will be all right. And again, make sure you line this disc brake up inside, if I can get my fingers in between the pads, which looks okay. So I've not tightened it up yet, but I think that looks okay. So that's the only way I can see it to go on, unless the only other way is that washer on this side. So we'll have to wait and see. So the reason I was having a problem, that washer this side, the washer with the lug that side. Now the reason is because I have got one of the newer models which with a reverse, so I've got a reverse button, and that's why the wheel goes on differently to the other wheels. So I phoned Jorvick and they were very helpful, and the technician explained about the washers, so I'm happy with that. So I will tighten the wheel up. Okay.